Today we're gonna make salmon. Here we go. Take the salmon. Get you a pan, electric skillet, little coarse salt, coarse ground pepper, not plugged in, ice cold. Let's cut the salmon. Cut your salmon into equal portions. Sharp knife, use it. We don't have it. Scissors. Give these little fishies a bath. Take your portions and lay them down on the salt pepper mixture, skin side down. All right, fish is chilling, pan is cold. Now we need to make up a little bit of a slather sauce. Here we go. So we're gonna take a little bit of mayonnaise. I know it's weird, do it. Mayonnaise. Need to squeeze some fresh limes out of the old fresh lime juice bottle. And we're gonna stir that up. Okay, time to slather. So you're gonna use one of these little brushes here. You're gonna paint, you're gonna do a little Bob Brother, paint some happy little fish here. Happy little fish. Nice and thin, nothing too heavy. A little bit of the mayonnaise lime mixture. Do this to all of them. All right, those babies are all basted up. Now we're gonna take our leftover mayonnaise and throw this in. Okay, next step, we have to turn these babies on. We're gonna put it on the heat. Plug it in. Put it on about 250. 300. Let it chill. All right, the heat is now coming on. It's not really started getting hot yet. We're gonna put a little bit of Old Bay on these guys. A little bit of Old Bay. That's this right here. Oh, excuse me. A little bit of Old Bay. Get these fishies. A nice little suntan lotion here. All right, now that we got the Old Bay, we're also gonna use now a little bit of this Creole seasoning. This is just a little Creole seasoning from the Kroger. I like a little bit of this on the fish. Lather them up with some of this. Lastly, a little fresh kakalaka black pepper. All right, we're gonna cut this down to about 250. Here we are, they're still cooking. We're gonna wait for the fish to start getting a little bit of white, working its way up to the top. Cut up some fresh asparagus. Put it in a little pan like this. Salt, pepper, rosemary. Throw it in the microwave. All right, we're going back up to about 300. It's not a time thing, it's more of an art. All right, so now it's about time to flip this fish. Usually it flips on over and the skin comes up with it, but this time, looks like my skin's wanting to, it kind of didn't want to, anyway, that's what you're going for. Okay, if your skin crisps up really good and it comes off, that's fine. You can take it on off. Waste no fish though. Yeah. So go ahead and take it off, it's fine. We're not going to eat it anyway. So usually the skin is already on there, but we went ahead and took it off because it was all acting weird. Still gonna be fine. Cook it on this side for a little while, and then we're gonna flip it back over on the sides, and then we're gonna take the temperature. Temperature needs to be 125 on the digital thermometer, and then we're good to go. So turn these guys on their sides. Let them sit on their sides for just a few seconds, maybe a minute. Okay, due to the power of video, it's a little bit different than it usually is. We lost the skin, which kind of holds them together a little bit. So we flipped them over, we put them on their sides. Now we're back on the bottom side, skin side. There's no skin. It's okay. They're cooking up here nice and delicious. We're gonna now test the temperature, and we're looking for 125. All right, so now we're gonna check the temperature, see where it is. Find the fattest piece that you can. Don't go all the way to the bottom. Check it out here. 125. This guy here. Getting close. Eat the fish! Gently place the fish on a wire rack. Let it cool. Not as beautiful as it usually looks, but it's done and it'll be good. Put a little bit of soap down in this guy. We're gonna take this out, we'll plug in some water, and get this thing cleaning while we eat our fish. And Jim's doctored up the asparagus, looking nice and good. So microwave the pan and some stuff. Pan's cleaning, fish is done. Eat. That's it. Let's eat. Thank you for watching.